Okay, excuse me. Haven't done a video in a while. Lots of reasons, blah blah blah. I'm not going to whine about health and that anymore. No derbies. That's going to get asked a million times. That's impossible. But we are going to work on what we're working on. Show you something nice before I show something rotten. I got my ATS wheels finally restored for my 73 Super Beetle. I know half people are going, what the hell? Why 73 Super Beetle? I got it cheap enough. And I like the car, so. But anyways, major issue this car had, and I could not figure out how this old lady did it. Move the broken door out of the way. This thing here got somehow pushed all the way in. It was like gone. I don't know if she got something stuck in the door and tried to slam it. So anyway, typical cracks here. Got the door off. Got that pulled out with a big 10-pound slide hammer. Did a little damage to the door doing that though, but it was not easy getting that out. Reason we're doing what we're doing today is I tried to, there's the old hinges. Let me hold one somewhat straight. That's not supposed to look like that. That's really bent. I tried to straighten them. Ended up breaking the bottom one off the car. So, here's the other one. It's also bent. I was just going to replace the bottom one, but I was like, why just do the bottom one if the top one's bent too? I'm not doing this the restoration way. I'm doing this the down and dirty, get it on the roadway. They're riveted on. And they're riveted on with things, countersunk rivets like that. You can see the two heads. Get yourself a nice, perfectly centered pilot hole going, then work your way up to a 1/4 inch drill bit, and it will take the back side of the rivet out. The bottom one doesn't matter, unless I'm missing pieces. There's no reinforcement. I'll show you here, and how tore it up. It's not supposed to look like that. These giant gaping holes. The replacement hinges you can buy are bolt-ins. They have the same type of screws that hold the door on, hold the new hinges on. It's not supposed to look like that. There's another one here, don't forget that one, or you'll really tear up your door beating it out. They're supposed to look like that. You can see the taperedness, and you can see in this one, that piece right there is a reinforcement, so the rivet went all through that, all the way through those two layers. If I just welded this in, it's only with two sheet metal, so I'm probably not going to weld this one in. I'm probably going to go get some bolts, go all the way through it, put some nuts on it, which means I'll have to take the glass and everything out. But like I said, center hole, 1/4 inch hole, we'll drill all the way through, and I'll take the back of the smashed metal rivet out. This one's going to have to be welded, but like I said, I looked inside the door, and I looked inside the door, I ripped these hinges off, and doesn't appear to be any reinforcement. Maybe that's why they do that. I don't know. But anyways, so because this door, as you can see, is rusty, and the only reason I'm leaving it is because it matches the car. So I'm just going to put a set of used hinges on it. This is just, like you said, not a restoration. This is a get it down the road. So I might make this the whole video, or I might, the other reason I wanted to do this is so I could put this little gizmo in. That's what got smashed and busted, and that way my door won't get away from me and swing all the way and hit the fender practically. So I might do a part 2 of this, or not really a part 2. I might show you what it looks like finished, or this might be the end. Stay tuned to find out. Aha, I'm back. It's the next day because it got dark, but I did get the door on. A nice new used window rubber. Window door. You can still see the white stuff down in the drying. I rust sealed all this with the stuff I love. Works really good as long as you follow the directions. So you can see welded there. Can't really see the other ones because the weather strips in the way. And then up here you can see where I bolted it in. So Yeehaw. This little doodad's in, so let's hold my door. Glass is still out. Got to put that back in, all the guts back in it, but. And I'm not too happy with the gap. It shuts okay, but the gap on the other side's bigger and the door seems to shut nicer. But, like I said, it'll go down the road now. So, no part 2, just a continuation. See ya.